I welcome all of you on Yourpedia Education, the dedicated channel for technocrats and the channel with the difference. The channel which actually trains you for actual exam preparations and gives you a lot of strategies, and lot of free content is provided to the students along with PDFs of the subjects being taught. Anyhow, I'm excited today to announce the launch of our much awaited general studies, general knowledge, current affairs module on your PD education. We have not started this module so far in on your PD education. We were focusing on other modules which now are unique and most I'll say efficacious modules for the students. Similarly, I hope this module we do justification and it helps student a lot in domain of their career. This module of general knowledge, current affair and general studies is the module without which all the career domains could not have been opened. I mean, you see any exam for technocrats, whether you write exam like GATE and then you appear for PSUs where they ask you about the current affair things, group discussions and all. You go to NITI and group discussion is asked. Group discussion is based upon the knowledge which is in the current. You need to know that. So without this knowledge, I don't think a technocrat can feel comfortable for any career related domains. So that is the reason we initiated this module now, and now we can focus on this module and make it really good. How this module is going to be different, how our mentors are going to teach this module in different way, that is what I'm going to brief you in a very short clip here. uh, Now first thing let me discuss with you is the difference. Normally students do not know about these domains. I mean, what is the general studies, what is general knowledge, what is current affair, that different students do not know. General studies is nothing but studies of some subjects which you otherwise do in the curriculum school. आपने स्कूल में पढ़ा होगा, एनसीईआरटी बुक्स वगैरह पढ़ा होगा आपने, हिस्ट्री, पॉलिटी, ज्योग्राफी, इकोनॉमी, दिस ऑल इज जनरल स्टडीज. I mean, study of the subjects, particular subject knowledge is called general studies. You know what is the best way to study these subjects? That is, I believe NCERT. आप कोई भी एग्जाम ले लो, any exam you take, whether from IAS to SSC JEE, the content they pick it up is from the NCERT books, and they're very nicely written. But the only trouble is that students do not have time to go through all the books. The NCERT books from 6th to 12th you are to go through. 6th class mein there is a information and it keeps on evolving, it keeps on gradually growing till 12th class, but a student may not have that time. So that is where the Yourpedia mentors are going to plug the gap. Yourpedia mentors have gone through all these subjects very in detail, meticulous way. They are going to read these subjects and they are going to provide you easy recipes how it is to be done. So yes, 500 page of NCERT is to be compressed by members of Yourpedia into, let us say, 100 slides of PPT and serve it to you in a very simple way from where question can come. Second part is, books are very nicely written, but there's always a limitation of the book. And the limitation is not many diagrams, picture, images or videos can be shown in the books. So what are the what are related figures or diagrams are to be shown? Suppose mentor feel no, यहाँ पे यार 4-5 diagrams or additional required थी, that can be done here on Yourpedia. We enjoy that luxury here now. Like all these books of NCERT, they are available. You know, if you go to NCERT site, they are available. So that is going to become our reference. 6th class to 12th class NCERT books, whether it is for geography or economy or history, is going to be our reference. Now, as I was telling you that what advantage can be there, reference content का reference तो मैं NCERT से मिल जाएगा, but we can take now information from diverse sources. Like Harappan civilization, you people have done. You have heard about Indus Valley civilization. Up the moment I give you 10 diagrams, डांसिंग गर्ल कौन थी, या सिंगल हॉर्न बुल क्या था, या ये कहाँ पे आपका लोथल में जो एक्सकवेशन मिला वो कहाँ पे था, हड़प्पा कहाँ है, मोहनजोदाड़ो कहाँ है, इंडस रिवर के साथ कैसे रिलेटेड है, कहाँ पे एक्सकवेशन हुआ है, ग्रेट बाथ कैसा दिखता था. द मोमेंट आई टेल यू दैट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ पिक्चर्स, तो दैट topic becomes interesting and you can start understanding this topic very well. आपका एक rhythm सा बन जाएगा, you know, like you watch a TV series, it will something like that. कि हिस्ट्री में आपको लग रहा है हाँ यहाँ पे बात छोटी थी, अब हम आगे पढ़ते हैं. यू नो दीज एपिक्स लाइक महाभारत, रामायण, देयर हिस्ट्री, नो देयर, नाउ वी आर रीडिंग दैट. महाभारत अगर मैं तुम्हें एक बुक की फॉर्म में दे दूं ये है, तो दैट मे बिकम वेरी बोरिंग फॉर यू टू रीड. बट महाभारत एज अ पिक्चर के फॉर्म में दिखा रहे हैं ना उसको, तो यू रिमेंबर एवरीथिंग. अच्छा ऐसा हुआ था, वैसा हुआ था, ये सब चीज इंफॉर्मेशन आ रहा है. सेम थिंग वी आर टू try to do that. Same thing we have to do. History, people say is boring, but history is the most interesting subject knowledge I've seen. But if you study history through stories and chronology, कि गांधी जी जब इंडिया में आए तो उसके बाद 1915, 16, 17, 18, 19 क्या होता चला गया, हाउ इट ऑल इवॉल्व. 1931 में गांधी इरविन पैक्ट हुआ, 1931 के आसपास भगत सिंह को फांसी हुई, तो क्या कोरिलेशन था इन दोनों के बीच में, या गांधी और सुभाष चंद्र बोस का लिंक कैसे बना था. सुभाष चंद्र बोस बिकेम प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस डिफीटिंग कैंडिडेट ऑफ गांधी जी, एंड देन ही क्रिएटेड हिज ओन ब्रिगेड, जिसका एक ब्रिगेड का नाम गांधी जी रखा. तो हाउ इट वाज ऑल डन. सरोजिनी नायडू, अबुल कलाम, खान अब्दुल गफार खान. So all these history is very interesting, but if I tell you through stories, that is what we will try to do. Geography, yes, now no subject can be better taught than geography through images. इतनी ज्यादा इमेजेस हैं नेट के ऊपर, इंटरनेट के ऊपर, जिसमें एवरी पिक्चर बिकम वेरी क्लियर. कहाँ है इक्वेटर, इंडिया कहाँ पे स्टैंड करता है, ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर इंडिया में से निकलती है, तीनों जो लैटिट्यूड है वो कौन से कॉन्टिनेंट में से निकलते हैं. ये एग्जाम्स के क्वेश्चंस हैं. अफ्रीका इज द कॉन्टिनेंट जिसमें से तीनों आपके ये लाइंस निकलती हैं, कैंसर, इक्वेटर, ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न, सारे. तो वो इमेज आपका बन जाएगा. द मोमेंट यू मेक इमेज यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट. गंगा की ट्रिब्यूटरीज कौन सी हैं, व्हाट कैन बी द वे टू रिमेंबर दैट, what can be trick to remember tributaries of Ganga system. So mentor is going to teach you that also. Similarly, Indian polity, if you ask me two subjects which are very closely related with current affair, they are polity and economy. Polity means study about parliament, judicial system, constitutional bodies. Same every day you keep on reading that in newspaper. Don't you read about this chief justice, don't you read about chief justice of India or Supreme Court or parliament, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha? Don't you read about that every day? That is basically what you in the current affair you do that. Indian constitution, constitutional amendment, parliament, whenever there's a debate going on, people talk about changing the constitution. Recently article 370 was much in news, Jammu and Kashmir se leke, that all is constitution, no? The moment you talk about article 370 and you read article 370 in a book of polity, let's say Lakshmikant की book में आपने पढ़ लिया, तो आपका लिंक बन गया ना, वही तो है जनरल स्टडीज. तो पॉलिटी इज अ सब्जेक्ट विच इज वेरी क्लोजली रिलेटेड टू करंट अफेयर्स एंड इकोनॉमी ऑल्सो. नेशनल इमरजेंसी बाय इंदिरा गांधी जी 1975-77, आर्टिकल 352, एंड देन आर्टिकल 356 स्टेट इमरजेंसी, प्रेसिडेंट रूल इन द स्टेट, और नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इन कोविड फाइनेंशियल इमरजेंसी आर्टिकल 360. सो ये सारा लिंक बनता है वहां पे. तो इन सब्जेक्ट्स के साथ लिंक बनता है. सो इफ यू आस्क मी that if I want to know more about current affair, if I want to understand current affair very well, तो क्या करना पड़ेगा. मेरे को लगता है you need to make your basic of general studies strong. If you know polity, you will understand what is going on in the current. If you know economy, you know what is the economic news going on. Budget भी तुम्हें समझ आ जाएगा. That is how it all is. Indian economy, as I told you, just keep on reading what is happening in the current. See what is the finance ministry is telling in the budget. Reserve Bank of India क्या बोल रहा है, Bombay Stock Exchange में क्या चल रहा है, नास्डैक में क्या चल रहा है, यूएस में क्या चल रहा है, नीति आयोग क्या बोलता है, जीडीपी वगैरह, ये सारी टर्म्स keep on coming in the current. So you need to make a linkages between current and these subjects. After general studies, second thing comes general knowledge. General knowledge is nothing but knowledge of the data and fact. लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर कौन सी है, लार्जेस्ट रिवर कौन सी है, इंडिया में लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर कौन सी है, इंडिया की लार्जेस्ट रिवर कौन सी है. दो डाटा एंड फैक्ट इज कॉल्ड जनरल नॉलेज, जिससे क्विज लिया जाता है. तो क्विज इज फ्रॉम जनरल नॉलेज पार्ट, कि मैं आपसे पूछूंगा आपने मेरे को आंसर करना है. सो बिगेस्ट, लार्जेस्ट, हाईएस्ट, फेमस पीपल, फेमस प्लेसेस, वर्ल्ड का जनरल नॉलेज, इन्वेंशन, डिस्कवरीज, ये किसने बनाया, रेडियो किसने बना दिया, समथिंग लाइक दैट. दिस ऑल इज अ जनरल नॉलेज पार्ट, मोर मगाई का पार्ट, रोट मेमोराइजेशन. लेकिन स्टिल इट इज फ्रॉम जनरल स्टडीज ओनली. व्हेन यू स्टडी जनरल स्टडीज, जब व्हेन यू गो थ्रू जनरल स्टडीज, तो वहां पे कुछ जो पार्ट है डाटा वाला पार्ट, वो आपका जनरल नॉलेज बन जाता है. दैट बिकम जनरल नॉलेज पार्ट. कि इंडिया ने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बनाया, तो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इंडिया का बनके कब तैयार हुआ, दैट कैन बिकम द जनरल नॉलेज पार्ट. नाउ Then current affair, you know, this is the most interesting part of all. Current affair को पढ़ने का तरीका obviously newspapers and news and now even YouTube channels or live channels. So Hindu newspaper, Indian Express is the small version of Hindu only. These are authentic newspaper. Mentors will be going through Hindu, the Mint financial news के लिए Indian Express they will be going through, and then some government sites. नीति आयोग की साइट और मे बी प्रेस इंफॉर्मेशन ब्यूरो का साइट, मे बी डीडी न्यूज का साइट, जो गवर्नमेंट के न्यूज चैनल्स हैं वहां पे गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज वगैरह का इंफॉर्मेशन आपको मिलेगा. You can go through that. Then some international news के लिए you can refer some international news channels or you can refer some newspapers, international newspaper. That is how you can make a link between these topics. Let me summarize now. You see, this part is a very interesting part, but you need to make strong linkages. You need to know general studies, you need to make linkages with general current affair, and then you have to rote memorize the things. Slow and steady you can win this particular thing. You know, there are some domains of learning जो slow and gradually ही acquire किया जा सकता है. वो कौन से domains हैं जो slow and gradually acquire किया जा सकता है? This entire general knowledge, general awareness part, and domains like vocabulary learning and all, वो gradually आपका evolve होता है. So start doing it. Yourpedia is going to help you in that. जिन स्टूडेंट्स ने, एंड यू नो योरपीडिया इज यूनिक बिकॉज वी कीप ऑन प्रोवाइडिंग द स्टडी मटेरियल ऑल्सो, जो भी यहाँ पे पढ़ाया जाएगा यू विल कीप ऑन गेटिंग दैट इन द मेल. सो अगर आपने अभी तक मेल नहीं फॉर्म फिल नहीं किया है, इफ यू हैव फिल्ड एनी मेल फॉर्म ऑन योरपीडिया, whether it is for GATE or it is for IPATE or anything, if you have filled it, then you will keep on getting mails from Yourpedia. But if you have not filled so far any mail form or any Google form on Yourpedia site, then Google form is attached. You can fill that Google form for further mails, जो भी आपको information मिलेगा. Number 2, you can also drop your comments. Since Yourpedia को you have made so successful as a channel of learning, so you can on this my video you can give the comments. Which section do you want to be taught? And what is your view, where we should hit you, where we should help you? वो अपना थोड़ा सा views आप दो, so that will help us to evolve this module even better, and that also enhances the motivation of the mentors. So give your comments that which section do you think we should initiate, and what do you think about this initiative which we have started taking, and fill the Google form, and let's start on this interesting and exciting journey of learning of these modules. Thank you.